The state Supreme Court will hear arguments tomorrow in a challenge of Phoenix's anti-discrimination ordinance, which makes it illegal for businesses to refuse service to same-sex couples for religious reasons. Joe Dana has the details, and it's new at 10.
Entrepreneurs Joanna and Brianna will tell you a business is not just a business, but an extension of yourself.
We have a love and a passion for what we do.
Their wedding business, Brush and Nib Studio, reflects their art and their faith.
I think they're completely intertwined because art is so personal, and so who we are as artists completely comes through in the art that we create, and we are people of faith, we are Christians.
It's why they argue the way Phoenix is trying to apply an anti-discrimination law is inappropriate. The way they see it, a wedding is a celebration, and they should not be forced to use their artistic talents to celebrate something they oppose, gay marriage. According to the Phoenix ordinance, the two face jail time and fines if they turn away a same-sex couple. Supporters call the requirement being placed on them forced speech.
This is about the right of artists to speak freely through the messages they create. So our art is highly expressive, it's very custom.
As their case goes to the state's highest court, they've received public support from Arizona's Attorney General and more than 24 Republican state lawmakers, among others.
We've had people from a variety of different backgrounds that don't even necessarily agree with our particular faith or beliefs, but say, hey, I want to be free to create and free to be who I am.
But judges have not been sympathetic. Last year, the Arizona Court of Appeals affirmed a lower court decision upholding the law, citing a 60-year-old black civil rights case in Phoenix, finding that democracy rejects any theory of second-class citizenship and that a half-century of intolerance is enough. And an alliance of business owners and activists argues treating lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people fairly and serving them equally is important for maximizing productivity and ensuring a thriving economy. So is a non-discrimination law really about protecting civil rights of gay and lesbian couples, or is it forced artistic expression? These two artists suggest if they lose in court, they won't have a choice about what to do next.
And closing our doors would be devastating.